Alright, so today we're going to be changing out the hood strut because mine decided to fail, which, you know, I can't really blame it. The car has 160,000 plus miles on it and it worked pretty well. But you'll notice that there's a little bit of fluid residue on the end right here. It's because it just leaked out and no longer holds pressure. So to replace it, you don't even need to mess with these at all. It should just pop on and off. The only thing that you're going to need to do is obviously compare it to the new one. Make sure it's the right one. And then as you see right here where my finger is, you can feel a little flathead in there and popped out the little bracket. You can kind of see inside there it holds around like a ball joint type deal. So on the old one, you're just going to pop that metal piece out a little bit, and then you should just be able to pop this side off, and then same thing on that, pop it out, and then you just go and pop your new one on. You will need to, I don't think you need to pull this one out on the new one, you should just be able to pop it on, but you might need to pull this one out a little bit too before you pop the new one on and press the clip back over it after. We'll go through that once, you know, I get this one off first. So for this I'm going to be using a pick. This is just a standard pick, but I actually recommend having like, you know, hood, you know, temporary hood latch up just so this thing doesn't fall on you if yours still does hold a little bit of pressure if it's just leaking and you're replacing it, because you take this off it is going to fall on your face. So, you know, you just stick the pick or flathead right inside of there and you kind of just pop it up. I'm trying to do this one-handed while recording, which is kind of difficult. So just like that, you're going to pull it out and you kind of just wedge the flathead in there, or your pick, and you see it just popped off a little bit and that came off just like that. And then you're going to pull your pick back out, thing went back inside, and there is a little bit of grease on the end right there, so if you have grease you might want to just re-grease that. But I'm gonna do the top one now, which is the same thing. Just slide their pick or flathead right up inside here. This one's a little bit more difficult to get to. Also, my car is on jack stands because I'm doing the brakes at the same time. Brake pads. I got my installed rotors on there already, but just wanted to tackle this real quick. So, right up inside of here. Stick this in there and pry it out just like that. Hopefully you guys are able to see that. And then you just pop it off. So as you see, this is the old hood strut. And put a little pressure against it. And it doesn't retract. It doesn't come back out like it's supposed to. A good one, you push down on, it'll come back out. So that one's completely dead. Okay. And this isn't even technically an OEM one. This is a Tough Support. And the packaging for it, oh, right here. This is the one I got, Tough Support. From HyundaiPartsDeal.com. It was like $80. I got this one off eBay for about $40 or $50. So, you know, you save, you know, 30 or 40 bucks there. Pretty, you know, might as well save your money if it's the same thing. Same part number, same everything, so it should be fine. Alright, so I don't actually have a lot of grease options over here, so I'm actually going to use some brake grease, which as long as it's not lithium based, it should be fine, because I guess lithium based grease eats plastic. So I just want to get like standard grease. This brake grease should be fine, so I'm going to use that. But you know, you don't have to go exactly how I'm doing it, but I'm just going to, you know, clean off these old ball joints while I'm in here, you know, make them look nice, and this will, you know, help with putting the new grease on, make it, you know, open and close smoother. So just clean that off, make it look nice. Same thing with the one up here. Go ahead and give it a good rub, clean all that off. There we go. And then I'm just going to take this grease right here. There's a lot of it, so be careful not to get it on everything, and I'm just gonna dab that right over here. Right on there, just like that. It doesn't need a lot, so you don't need to like glob it on there. So put a good amount on there. That should be plenty. Try not to get it on the surrounding area like I did. Oh, fuck. Yeah, don't do what I did. That's on my engine cover. Alright, sorry for the background noise, but as you see, the post is no longer there. Hood strut is on, and you don't even have to mess with the metal clips at all. Literally just, it's easier to have two people, because even with that hood stick. It wasn't high enough, so you do have to like hold it up with one hand, and you just basically just pull it together and it will just clip right on. You don't have to mess with the metal thing. That's only for removing it. So just pull it on there, should clip into place. Go ahead and take like a cloth, wipe up any excess grease, and it should be good. So just to show you guys. Oh, hood's open pretty high because of the thing, but yeah. I'm not even pushing it up, it's just letting it go. So yeah, cool. If this helped you guys out, leave a like below. If you're not subscribed already, definitely subscribe for, you know, more helpful content. And catch you guys next time.